Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Summer is just around the corner, and something I love in the summertime is potato salad. And this is my Grandma Ruth's potato salad. Very simple but incredibly delicious. You're gonna love this, so let me walk you through it and let's get started. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is boil up about 5 medium-sized potatoes, and we're just going to do them until they're fork tender. And of course I peeled these and cut them in half. I should mention I'm going to boil up a couple of eggs here too, and because it is potato egg salad. After about 20 minutes they're fork tender, so I'm just going to set them aside and put them in the fridge for about 30 minutes, just until they're cold. After 30 minutes or so, they've cooled off nicely, so I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of cube these up. The size is entirely up to you. I mean, you can even mash these if you like, but I like them cubed. Alright, now I'm going to add my potatoes to a mixing bowl. Chop up a couple of hard-boiled eggs. Go ahead and add these in. This is starting to smell so good. And about half a cup of mayo. Actually, I'm using Miracle Whip, but you can use mayo if you like. About 4 stalks of green onions. And of course some Dijon mustard. And if you don't have Dijon, you can use yellow mustard. And I'm going to say, we're going to add a tablespoon or 2. And of course, as always, some salt. And my favorite, ground black pepper. Then we'll just stir everything together until it's creamy and well combined. Of course, you can add the spices of your choice. You can add a bit of garlic, some paprika, whatever you like. But I just like to keep things simple. So let's go ahead and plate this up, and we'll be ready for a picnic. And there you have it, guys, our Grandma Ruth's potato and egg salad. You're simply going to love this. Okay, let's go ahead and give this a taste test. This is so good. Rich, creamy, great with hot dogs, burgers. The ultimate summertime meal. Like I said, great for picnics. You gotta make this. Might eat more. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great recipes there. Thanks for watching and thanks for subbing, and see you next time.